Well, hi, this is your stay-at-home grandma, and I'm bringing you what I got in the mail for the last couple of days, which is up to today, and then just some chit-chat of what we're going to do today. I got some truffles, truffets de France. Should I say that again? Truffets de France. One more time. Truffets de France. Never mind. Anyway, they're cocoa truffles and they're caramel specks. So this is the box right here. Bring it over because the sun is directly in here. So I like this. So I did say I wanted to try that, but I'm not going to try it. Okay, let me explain to you why. May is like March, May, and I have a break in April, and then May is my broke month. Okay, 3 of my granddaughters' birthdays are this month, and then there's Mother's Day, and then my daughter's birthday, and then my niece's birthday. So I mean, yeah. So I got these anyway. Then I got some recipe cards. Now I know you're going to ask me, why would I get recipe cards through there and I can go to the dollar store and get them? But they asked me to review them, and I would. And it says, thank you for supporting our small, friendly, family-owned business. Well, that's nice. Okay. Well, that's good. Anyway, and doesn't say anything else in here. There's no www. Why do you put a thank you down there and not put any www? Anyway, I got them. And they're called Zen Earth Kitchen cards. And they're really nice. Let's see what it says. So it's a quality card, non-glossy, easy to write on, with pen or pencil, double-sided, beautiful color design, lots of blank spaces for your recipes, printed in the USA, eco-friendly and acid-free paper, and it's 100% satisfaction guarantee. And I have 2 things that I like is that it's eco-friendly and it's what do you call it? Acid-free. So we got that. So I'm going to put some of these in my journals, in my recipe journal. Then I got these. I'm in love. These little animals are the little squishies. Can you see them? Sun's reflecting some. But I got 18 of these, or 19, 20 maybe. And my granddaughters have already been in them and picked their 2. And my little granddaughter, the baby, the 4-year-old, who's soon to be 5, who really is a woman, but we don't want to let her know she's a woman trapped in a child's body. And she says some very profound things. Said to me, well, they're so cute, I don't know which one. And then there was a green one, and she said, green, yes, I love green. And then she ran off with 2 of them. So these are just little things, presents for little kids and stuff like that. Because I always seem to forget somebody. Then I got this right here. I gotta open it. Open it again. Well, they wanted me to have fun opening this, didn't they? Anyway, how you doing? I'm sorry. How you doing? I'm concentrating on opening the box. Hope everybody's doing fine. Hope everybody's having a great day. It is Thursday, so tomorrow is Friday. Okay. This is the, oh, this is nice. This is the soap dish. Well, it's the soap bottle. Don't move. And this is the sprayer. And this is the holder. Let me check it out so you can see it. And this is the holder. So this will go down in my, whoops, this will go down in my bathroom. I knew there was something flying around in here. One of the screws, I guess. This will go downstairs in my bathroom. Let's cover back around this. I have to kind of fix up my bathroom a little bit. So I believe, oh, got the shelf. So I'm looking through my pages, and I said to myself, I'll be glad when they put together some, some kind of, as I review longer, the products for me get better. And I said, I'll be glad when they do some shelving or something like that. And lo and behold, this. Now, this is all plastic. And this is something that I don't think, no, it's got a plastic, it's got a wooden dowel. I don't know, mallet maybe. Now, this is something, it's got the directions in here. Let me pull out some of the, this is the, here, this is the thing that goes with, I don't know. See, I don't know nothing about birthing a baby. Well, yeah, I do know how to birth a baby, but I don't know how to put a shelf together. So, there are just some things. Well, I don't want to say that because I have years ago put a shelf together, but the directions weren't quite as hard. And to be honest with you, I don't like directions. I like just looking at it and seeing how it goes. So this looks like a job for Superman, my husband. But this is the box it came in. So I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to show you some of it. And this is the box. So when I get it done, when he gets it done, I will show you, and then you can see what I got. So that's it. I love you. Take care. God bless you. I'm going to go get something to eat now, and then I'll come back with my art. Okay. Bye-bye. I should take a nap.